Hello kids, in the last class we were discussing about conservation of momentum and we have solved one problem. Today's class also we will let us solve some few problems. Okay, see here is the question. The question is like this. An object of mass 100 kg is accelerated uniformly from a velocity of 5 meter per second to 8 meter per second in 6 seconds. Calculate the initial and final momentum of the object. Also find the magnitude of the force exerted on the object. Here you need to calculate the two things. One is initial momentum as well as final momentum, and also we need to calculate the magnitude of the force, or nothing but a force you are supposed to calculate. Here we have two terms, from a velocity of 5 meter per second to 8 meter per second. From a velocity means it is starting velocity, from means it is 5 meter per second, initial velocity it is, and to 8 meter per second is nothing but final velocity. So now let us collect the data first. So what is given here? Mass of an object is equal to 100 kg, and so here initial velocity is equal to 5 meter per second, final velocity is equal to 8 meter per second, and time is given, that is 6 seconds. Okay, now we are supposed to calculate the initial momentum and final momentum. What is the formula to calculate the momentum? It is initial momentum. Initial momentum is equal to P1 is equal to m into u. So this is a formula. Please go to m into v, or m into v is a formula. Here we are supposed to calculate for initial velocity. That's why I have taken as u. U is equal to, so m is 100 into 5, you will get 500. Next it is final momentum is nothing but P2 is equal to m into v. M is 100 into 8, it is 800. So we have got initial momentum also, we have got final momentum also. Finally what you are supposed to calculate? You are supposed to calculate the force. So what is the formula? F is equal to m into a. Okay, a is not there here. How do you apply the formula? So here we have got change in the momentum we are supposed to calculate. How do you calculate the change in the momentum? P2 minus P1. So F is nothing but m into a. M is there here. Here also m is there. So the other formula of momentum is P is equal to m into v. Okay, m is there. A is nothing but, how to, you know the acceleration formula, v minus u divided by t. Okay, v minus u divided by t is nothing but what? I can replace this entire thing by P1, or you can write it as, I'll tell you. So F is equal to mv minus mu divided by t. So F is equal to m into v minus u divided by t. Understood? So this is what P1, sorry P2, this is what P1. Okay, divided by t, it is the acceleration formula. Okay, now m is equal to v minus u divided by t, we have arrived to the formula, right? So that is how the formula has come. So F is equal to, I can rewrite the formula something like this, P2 minus P1 divided by t. So F is equal to, P2, it is 800 minus 500. What is t? T is 6 seconds. So F is equal to 800 minus 500 is nothing but 300 divided by 6. So how much it is now? So this is 50. So F is equal to 50 Newton. So did you understand now? So F is equal to 300 divided by 6. So when you cancel it, you will get the magnitude of the force is equal to 50 Newton. Go through the problem once.